Horses out of tailwind gets away immediately, and on the outside is Key Victory. Hold that fantasy, Moana Belay. Then comes Gigi Star Exquisite down on the inside, and Phil's Game is the early trailer. We have tailwind, the leader by about 3 lengths. Exquisite now moving up to take second. Key Victory dress back in third, alongside fourth. Hold that fantasy, Moana Belay. Then comes Gigi Star and too far behind this Phil's Game. Back to the leader. We have Tailwind by Ralenka. Then here comes Exquisite. Now trying to get closer in second. 4 lengths away in third. Key Victory. Hold that fantasy. Moana Belay, Gigi Star, and Phil's Game still racing in last. Tailwind by Oranek, mulling up now on the outside is Exquisite to take the lead. Exquisite by Oralenka. Tailwind rush back in second. Gigi Star in third, mulling up now in fourth. Hold that fantasy, Key Victory, Moana Belay, and Phil's Game. As they come down at the last 150, Exquisite moving up, Gigi Star on the outside. Hold that fantasy, Tailwind. Long shot, Gigi Star takes the lead. Exquisite Star on the inside. Exquisite, Gigi Star fighting around for the lead. But it's still Gigi Star, Exquisite, entering the finish line. It's Gigi Star, Exquisite, Tailwind, Hold that fantasy. Then comes Key Victory.
Hindi maganda yung salida.
Oo tapos nagtitingala pa. Anyway, it was